Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss representing absolute value of a number on a number line. Okay, what is absolute value? The absolute value of a number is the distance of a number from zero. And the best tool to represent the absolute value of a number is the use of number line. So this is the number line. So this number line consisting of two opposite numbers. So we have here at the left side of 0, negative numbers. So meaning to say, if you move to the left from 0, the numbers becomes smaller. Then at the right side of 0, this is what we call positive numbers. So if you go to the right side of 0, the numbers becomes bigger. And then negative numbers and positive numbers are also called integers. So again guys, negative numbers and positive numbers are called integers. Alright. So these are some of the situations that can represent it as an integers. So we have here time. So the word before, it implies negative value. Then the word after, it implies positive value. Then the word now, it implies zero value. So you need to remember these words guys, because in your lesson, you will be encountering these words, right? Now for the business, so the word lose, it implies negative value. And the word gain, it implies positive value. Then the words break even, it implies zero value. Then for the elevation, below sea level, so the word below, it implies negative value. Then above sea level, so the word above, it implies positive value. Then sea level, so it implies zero value. Then for the situation gain, so the word lost, okay, so still it implies negative value. Then the word win, it implies positive value. Then for the word tie, it implies zero value. Then for the situation savings account, okay, so the word withdrawal, it implies negative value. Then in the word deposit, it implies positive value. Then the words no change, it implies zero value. So alright guys, so these are some of the words that can be represented as an integers. Okay, so the absolute value of a number is written as, so we have here the first situation, our unknown number here represented by letter n. So this is the absolute value of the unknown number, which is positive, that is equal to n. So positive value if n is greater than 0. So if you could still remember the number line, all numbers greater than 0 are positive value. Then another situation, the absolute value of negative n. So our value this time is negative. So the result is still positive value, or the positive number, if n is less than 0. So if our value here is less than 0, still the absolute value of this number is still positive. So meaning guys, it's either positive or negative value when we are going to determine the absolute value of these two numbers, the result is still positive, right? So, examples for the positive value. We have absolute value of 7, that is equal to 7. And then another, the absolute value of 0, that is equal to 0. Then, the other side, the absolute value of negative 10 is equal to positive 10. Then, the absolute value of negative 5 is equal to positive 5. So, these are an examples of when our n is negative. Then, in this side, if our n is greater than 0. And here, if our n is less than 0. But still, all the absolute value of these given numbers are positive. Alright? Then, how are we going to represent the absolute value of a number on a number line? So, this is what we are going to do. For example, absolute value of 6. Okay? So, we will make use of the number line. So, always start at 0. So, let us count the number of units from 0 going to the indicated number, which is 6. So, if you're going to count the number of units from 0 going to the indicated number, which is 6, that is 6 units. So, therefore, the absolute value of 6 is positive 6. Alright? Then, another, the absolute value of negative 3. So, this time, our value is negative. So, let us represent this value on a number line in order for us to know the absolute value of negative 3. So, this is the indicated value, negative 3. Then, from 0, that is 3 units. 1, 2, 3. So, that means the absolute value of negative 3 is 3. So, this is very simple, guys. Just count. In order for you to get the absolute value of a number, all you need to do is count the number of units from 0 going to the indicated value. Alright? So, thank you for watching and I hope you learned something. See me in the next video and happy learning.